Hey, let me show you a few tips what you can do if one of your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro is not working. For example, it's disconnecting or it's not charging at all and you cannot just connect this. So what you can do. First of all, I will definitely take a look for all of those pins. Let's just catch focus on them. There we go. So here you can find a charging pins here and here, but also inside a charging case. So if you have here some other mats, if something stick into these pins, then it's possible that you just cannot simply charge it. So if the battery drops to the 0%, they cannot be recharged because something is between the pins. So you can simply grab something like the plastic part, like this one, and scrub that there's here, or for example, inside the case. Or we can just use the microfiber cloth and try to clean this. So there's the first tip. Then you can just simply close the case with the both earbuds inside and simply plug it in for like 30 minutes or even 1 hour, depends on the speed of your charger. And right now you can just simply perform a reset. If it is possible, then I will just perform a reset by using the application or the settings. So by going here, simply move for manage connections, go for a reset, and right now just reset your earbuds. And if you cannot do this because you cannot enter for the application, then I can recommend you to simply disconnect them from the Bluetooth. You can do this even when they are not connected. You can just click here to unpair. And now I will just click and hold this button on the back until this indicator on the front starts blinking in the 3 different colors. So it means that it will enter for the pairing mode. And now I will just try to reset them. But if it is still not working, what you can also try, go back from this one, open this reset settings on your phone, and try to reset the Bluetooth settings. And this is everything that I can show you. I hope you find it useful. Let me know if it works for you.